Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the top deals that I think for the following week at Walgreens, and I think we got a good variety of deals. We've got some monthly deals, we've got some great Ibotta rebates. We actually got a lot of good Ibotta rebates. I'm going to show you a couple that you can use in with your spend scenarios if you have those this week. Also, there isn't going to be, from what I can tell, any early activation deals this coming Saturday night, not even Colgate. So I really don't see any early activation deals. But let's talk about the inserts and then we'll get into the deals. So this Sunday on April 10th, we are getting two inserts. We're getting a Smart Source and a Save insert. And in that Save insert, there's actually a ton of really good coupons. I just wanted to mention some of them to you. We're getting Dove Body Wash, Dial Body Wash, Compeed coupons, Centrum coupons, Eucerin, Excedrin, Nivea, Garnier, Maybelline, and that Love, Beauty, and Planet coupon is also coming out. Like I've said in the past, I order my coupons through BQ Savings, and I'm just sharing that information with you. There is a link down below in the description box to order those if you would like to. There's previews available and fast shipping. Usually her coupons are available to order for the following week on Tuesday or Wednesday. I know I don't get my preview video up that early, but that is always an option for you. So let's talk about the deals. So the first promotion I want to talk about is the Shick and the Skintment. This has been a monthly deal, and it's buy three, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. I seen it on the razors, the tags, but I didn't think of the actual shaving cream or the shave gels. So those are included, and they're going to be on sale next week for $2.99, and we are going to get a $1 digital coupon. So if you get 3 of these, your total will be $8.97. You will use the $1 digital coupon, pay $7, and get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making the total for 3 of them $4.97 or $1.65 a piece. And you can absolutely use Walgreens cash with these because it is a buy deal. The words or the verbiage are saying buy 3, not spend 20. So that's the good thing about this promotion is typically the Shick deals or the Shick promos are spend 20, get 5. So I thought that was a really good deal. So the next promotion is for Oral-B floss picks, and things like that. So these are on also a monthly deal. The deal is spend 10, get back a $5 register reward. So I did a deal similar to this, but it cost me more, but I was doing it for an Ibotta rebate. But anyways, this is the more cheaper deal, if that even makes sense. So we have this coupon that is 6 off of 3. I found it messing around with that deal this past week or this current week that we're in right now. And it attaches to the floss picks and the floss and the Crest Densify and the Crest 3D White Professional, the purple box. So if you have that 5 off of 3 right now, it will expire, and this will still work for next week and even the week after that. So when you're clipping your Crest coupons that come out this coming Sunday on the 10th, be mindful, and I wouldn't clip any until you use the 6 off of 3 coupon. So here is the breakdown. I'll talk about that now. So I'm going to grab 2 packages of these floss picks, the Bacteria Guard for $3.99 and a floss for $3.99. We're going to use that we're going to use that 6 off of 3 digital coupon, pay $5.97, get back $5 in register rewards, making the final cost for the 3 items 97 cents for 3 of them, which is a good deal, especially for floss because we get toothbrushes, we get toothpaste. We don't get mouthwash as often, and we really don't get floss that often. So I definitely wanted to mention this in case you didn't see my video this week. Also, shameless plug, I am giving away a $50 Walgreens gift card in that video. So definitely go over to that video and check it out if you want to enter in that giveaway. It's not sponsored by anybody. It's just something that I am doing to give to my subscribers. Because I give away a lot of CVS cards, but I don't give away a lot of Walgreens cards, and I definitely want to do that more often. Now the next deal is on Playtex We had this deal like 4 weeks ago or something like that, and when I seen it in the ad, I definitely wanted to mention it again because I had quite a few viewers thank me for that. So the Playtex Stay Free and Carefree are on promotion for spend 12, get back a $3 register reward, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So what I would buy is the Playtex Sport tampons, the 36 count. That one is going to be $8.99. Now the box on the top, that is the Playtex Sport Fresh Balance. Now it says that my store still carries them, but I thought that that was an older box. But it says that my store carries them for $6.39. So they would be for $3.20 with this sale. We are getting a 3 off 2 digital coupon. That would bring your total down to $9.12. Get back that $3 register reward, making it $6.19 for 2 boxes, or $3.12 a piece. And I think $6 for 2 big bags or 2 big boxes of tampons is an excellent deal. And I did put on here that you can use Walgreens cash to pay, which you can, and you can use a manufacturer's register reward, not a store register reward, to help lower your out-of-pocket as well, especially if this is something you really need. So the next deal I want to show you is the Colgate. Now I said that this would not double dip this coming Saturday because we are getting back a register reward for this type. So these are buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, and they are on sale for $2.99. Now when you get 2 of those, it'll equal out to $5.98. You can use $2 off coupons from the 4-3 Smart Source. We should be getting a digital version of that as well. That's what it says in the ad. So you'd pay $3.98, get back that $4 register reward, making them free, and you can use a Walgreens cash on this as well. So next we have another monthly promotion with Venus and Gillette razors. There's spend 20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Now this current week that we're in right now, I did grab 2 of the Venus intimate razors for the intimate area for a woman, and they are for $14.99. That's the normal price. So I grabbed 2 of those, and it was a pretty decent deal added in with my spend booster. But I wanted to show you guys this in case this is something that you could do. I currently could not do this because I don't have a 20% off coupon that prints out at the Catalina, but if you do, this would be a great deal with it because I have a very large spend booster for the new week coming up. I think it's spend 65, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. So these type of deals are really good to put into those scenarios. So anyways, you're going to pick up a Venus white tea razor for $11.99 and a Gillette skin guard for $13.99. You're going to use that 20% off coupon. That will come off first, and that will take off $5.20. Now with these 20% off coupons, as long as you are still above the threshold of $20, you can use that Catalina coupon or whatever your threshold is. Like when we have the Nexus deal and things like that, if you have these 20% off Catalinas, you can use them, but you have to be at your threshold still. So then you're going to use a $3 off Venus Digital and a $3 off Gillette Digital. That would bring your total down to $14.78. Get back a $10 in Walgreens cash, making your final cost for both of them $4.78 or $2.39 a piece. And if you're doing this deal by itself, you cannot use Walgreens cash. But if you have a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash booster, you would get another $5 back in Walgreens cash, making both of them free. So it's definitely something to think about, and I think it's a really good deal. So now I have another oral care deal. Now, I don't like to typically put a bunch of oral care deals in these videos because there's a lot more deals to grab than just oral care every week at Walgreens. But I seen this on Couponing with Kayla, her channel. She said that, this might attach to these that are included in the sale next week with the buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. And it is attaching it to the 3D White Arctic Fresh. That's the typical size that's included in these promotions. So if all goes well, then you would buy 3 of these at $3 a piece. making them $9, and then you would use the 6 off 3 digital coupon. You would pay $3, get back your $5 register reward, making them free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, I wanted to also mention this because I think it's been a little bit since we've had just an easy moneymaker oral care deal at Walgreens, but if you do this and you get the store register reward for $5, but you don't have that 20% off Catalina and you want to do the previous deal with the razors, you can do this deal first by itself, take that $5 register reward, go back and grab the razors that you want and do the deal that way, and then you can still get pretty much the same deal. So I also wanted to throw that in there as well. Now, the next thing I want to add is a couple of Ibotta rebates or Ibotta deals for you guys. Now, originally, when I thought of this, when I was planning this video out, I thought there was a few more that I could add on here, but there isn't. So I still wanted to show you guys these two, but I also wanted to mention that we do have a lot of good Ibotta rebates for Walgreens, especially if you are trying to get your bonuses, and we've got a couple of bonuses going on. So for the Bic razors are on sale for this whole month for $5.99, and when you grab 2 of them, of course, they would be $11.98. We have a digital coupon available, and there's also $4 insert coupons available from the 4-3 Smart Source. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, and the Ibotta rebate, as of right now of recording this video, that 3 off 2 Ibotta rebate is still there. So that would make these 98 cents for 2 of them, which is an amazing deal, and then added into a spend booster scenario, even better deal. Another one is the Splenda Shakes. The Splenda Shakes are $9.99. We have a $4 off digital coupon. We also have a $4 off printable coupon, and I think there's even an insert coupon. But anyways, then you would also submit your receipt to Ibotta, and it wouldn't be $1.99. It's correct in the Google Doc, but originally when I made this, I thought these were still on sale for $7.99 online, but they were for $9.99, and they would end up being $3.99 after the Ibotta rebate and the coupon. So I wanted to mention this because a $4 coupon is good for building your scenarios, and it'll give you an Ibotta rebate. So if you get this, then you can also use that 20% off Catalina coupon to help lower the cost of it as well. Or you could do it online with a curbside pickup order, use some Walgreens cash, use a coupon code, and it would be an incredible deal as well. So I'm just going to mention a few other Ibotta rebates so that you can either maybe do a pickup order and just use Walgreens cash to get some Ibotta rebates, or if you want to put them in your spend scenarios. So we've got Nivea, we've got Crest, we've got the Crest Kids Enamel, we've got the Got to Be hairstyling, even though the coupon is expiring in a couple days. What else? We have the Sting Kill is back. We have lots of different rebates. Huggies, Mederma, Compeed, Icy Hot, all kinds of good things going on. So let's look at some spend scenarios. And I didn't realize I just talked for 2.5 minutes about Ibotta rebates. But anyways, we're just going to do a spend. Oh my Lord, this thing is just riddled with errors. I'm so sorry. Everything will be correct in the Google Doc. But this is for spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. You're going to pick up 2 of the floss picks and 1 floss. And you're going to pick up the Playtex tampons. You're going to use that 6 off 3 digital coupon and that 3 off 2 digital coupon. You would pay $15.16. You would get back $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster. You would get back a $3 register reward for the tampons and a $5 register reward for the floss, making your final total for all 5 items just $2.16. And I think that's an incredible deal for just even 1 box of tampons. So I am really happy with this scenario. So in the next scenario I want to show you is still spend 20, get 5, but we are building our transaction up so that we can use some Walgreens cash, and our spend portion is going to be paid with coupons and not cash. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Bic razors at $5.99 a piece. We're going to pick up 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $3 a piece. And then we're going to pick up 3 of the Skintimate shave gels. You can mix and match between, you can get the Shick Extreme or the Skintimate. You're going to pick up 1 of the Splenda shakes for $2.99. And I did put in here an 88-cent candy bar because without it, we literally would be about 6 cents shy from being able to use $20 in Walgreens cash. So you can just put in whatever filler item you want, but we're going to use 2 $4 off Bic coupons. We're going to use the 6 off 3 digital coupon. We're going to use the $1 off digital coupon for the Skintimate. And we're going to use that $4 off digital coupon for the Splenda shakes. That's going to bring our total down to $21.82, but we will be able to use $20 in Walgreens cash because we're using $19 in coupons, and we will be paying more than $1 in actual cash out of pocket. So that equals out to $20, so we can use $20 in Walgreens cash. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash from your booster, $3 in Walgreens cash for the Skintimate, and a $5 register reward for the Crest. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you'll get back $3 on Ibotta for the Bic razors and $2 on Ibotta for the Splenda shakes. That will bring your final total for all of these items down to $3.82. And you did not have to actually pay $21 in cash out of pocket to get to that point in your transaction. So if you have any questions regarding this type of scenario, please leave them down below and I will help you out the best that I can. But this works every single time, guys, if you can work out a scenario this way. So anyways, guys, that is all I really have. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, have a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.